Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Measure 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup cocoa powder, and 1 cup sugar. Also prepare 1 tsp baking powder, 1 tsp baking soda, and 1/2 tsp salt in a bowl so you can combine dry ingredients quickly. Grate 1 cup zucchini and squeeze to remove excess moisture. You want dampness, not runoff, to keep muffins tender. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line a 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners or grease lightly. Measure 2 eggs and set aside, along with 1/2 cup vegetable oil and 1 tsp vanilla. Whisk 2 eggs, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, and 1 tsp vanilla in a medium bowl until combined and slightly glossy. In a separate large bowl, combine dry ingredients. Flour, cocoa, 1 tsp baking powder, 1 tsp baking soda, 1/2 tsp salt, and sugar. Whisk to aerate and remove lumps. Pour the wet mixture into the dry and stir until just combined. Avoid overmixing to keep crumb tender. Fold zucchini and 3/4 cup chocolate chips into batter. Spoon batter into 12 cups and bake 18-22 minutes at 350 degrees F, filling cups about 2/3 full so muffin domes form evenly. Rotate the pan halfway through if your oven runs hot, and start checking at 18 minutes to avoid overbaking. Test with a toothpick. It should come out with a few moist crumbs, not raw batter, which ensures moist crumb. Cool 10 minutes in tin, then transfer to rack to finish cooling. Store airtight up to 3 days, or freeze individually wrapped for up to 2 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.